Help, I lost myself again, but I remember you.
Greetings, earthlings, and welcome back. My name is Kasey if you are new here. Basically today I'm just going to show you how I whiten my teeth at home. I'm kind of obsessed with whitening my teeth. One, because white teeth are beautiful. It's just really sexy to have like a white smile. And two, because I do put a little bit more pressure on myself to have white teeth because I am a coffee drinker. When I drink wine, it's usually red, and I am a smoker. Not cigarettes, just had to throw that out there. So I'm always trying, different at-home kits. I whiten my teeth a few times a year. I haven't tried this, by the way, so we're going to be testing it out today. This is the White with Style Sparkle White Teeth Whitening Kit. So it claims that it's going to give me up to 7 shades whiter in just one treatment. And this does include 10 treatments. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, sensitivity-free. So it's been a good 5 months since I've whitened my teeth, so it's definitely about that time. So it comes with a professional tooth whitening shade guide. Let's see where I'm at. A little nervous to do this. It's kind of embarrassing. Okay. I got 2 mouth trays here, and it says to bring water to a boil and then remove from heat, cool for 6 minutes, and then submerge one of these mouth trays into hot water for 10 seconds or until the tray appears soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And it also says for best results, do not overheat. So while my water is boiling, I'm just gonna kind of go over the next steps. So it says you want to brush and floss before whitening your teeth. You want to rinse the trays in lukewarm water and store in a clean, dry place so you can reuse them. Not to exceed more than 1 treatment per week. Teeth whitening can be really expensive, even if you buy like the teeth whitening kits from like the drugstore. I have a coupon code in, I'm gonna put all the info here. Boom, it's like an insane, ridiculous amount off for you guys. So shout out to my friends at White with Style. I really appreciate that. But let's see if it even works before I go giving you guys coupon codes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my mouth trays. All right, yeah, cool for 6 minutes. All right, I'll be back. When you're done with each one, you want to put it in some cold water. Remove the clear plastic insert from the battery compartment of the LED light. Replace the batteries as they were, and then you just turn the light on to test it. And I'm going to place a small drop of gel onto each tooth impression of each tray. Use less gel than you think you need and do not get it on your gums. And I'm just going to repeat that on the bottom tray. And I'm just going to carefully remove any excess gel from my gums with the little vitamin E swab. And then I'm going to place the LED light in front of my trays, and this is going to activate the gel and whiten my teeth faster. So you want to keep the trays in for no more than 30 minutes. 30 minutes has passed. I'm going to remove the trays and rinse out my mouth. Okay, lots of saliva. Lots of saliva.
They're funny, Mom. Are you still video right now?
Yeah, Mommy had to spit them.
Hi, everybody.
Back up more. Back up. There you go. Now say hi. Alright, so it is the moment of truth. I went ahead and reapplied my lipstick because it kind of was all over the place. Alright, let's see what kind of results I got. I'm gonna use the little shade guide and let's see. So if you have been, thinking about whitening your teeth, or, you've just been in search of a good at-home kit, I definitely recommend this one. It got the job done. I'm happy. I'll use it again. So yeah, I think that the coupon code are really hooking you guys up. I'll leave it somewhere, magic words. Hey, thank you. So that's the deal. If you guys want to take advantage of it, definitely do. My gums are a little tender. It happens every single time I whiten my teeth, no matter what I use. I'm really, really excited. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It shows me that you care. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.